Good day, students. Today we are looking at exponential function. Our previous lessons, we taught on the laws of indices. Now we're looking at exponential function. When the index or power, we say laws of indices has to do with power. Now, when the index or power of a function is not known, it is called exponential function. So, example of exponential function or equation are these on the board. So we want to do them. Solve for x. 4 raised to the power x equals 8. In the laws of indices, the powers are known. But in exponential equation of function, the powers are not known. So we are looking for the powers. So let's solve the following to explain exponential equation. Okay, let's divide the board into 3 places to explain this. We have 4 raised to the power x equals 8. So our focus is to make the base to be the same. In our laws of indices, the base are always the same. We just add, subtract the power, the case may be. But here we have to focus to make the base the same. This is multiple of 2, so it will be 2 raised to the power 2, bracket x equals 2 raised to the power 3. So the base are not the same. So this will give us 2 raised to the power 2x. This time is 2x equals 2 raised to the power 3. Now, as the base are the same, you divide. So this is 2x equals 3. We've done coefficient in the junior classes under algebra. So you have to go and view the video on YouTube. So you divide by the coefficient of x, which is 2. This is 2x divided by 2 equals 3 divided by 2. 2 cancel out to x equals 3 divided by 2. When 2 cancel out to x equals 3 divided by 2, or 1 over 2. So number 2, we have to convert this to fraction. This is a multiple of 4. So this is a 4 raised to the power 2, bracket x, equals 25 divided by 100. This is 4 raised to the power 2x. This times this 2x equals 1 divided by 4. This is 4 raised to the power 2x equals 4 raised to the power minus 1. Your negative power law in laws of indices. That's under the JS classes. You have to go to laws of indices under the JS classes to review. So the base are the same. You not cancel. The focus is making the base equal. You not cancel. Then this will give us 2x equals minus 1. 2x equals minus 1. So we divide with by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So we have x equals minus 1 divided by 2. When you divide both sides by 2, 2 will cancel out to x will stay alone. Then the third one, in this scenario, equals 1. 1 is always equal to the base you have. Whatever the base, if this base is 20, this your 1 becomes 20. The base is 5 now, so it will be 5 raised to the power 0. Remember that any number raised to the power 0 is 1. We did that under laws of indices in the junior classes. So go back to the video to review. What 1 always take the form of the base. If the base is 6, then 1 becomes 6. If the base is 10, then 1 becomes 10. But raised to the power 0. Whatever that, the value raised to the power 0 is always 1. So base cancel out base, x equals 0. So there's no need putting up assignments for you. Just get any textbook and do more exercise on exponential equation. Thanks for being.